What's up, traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And as you can see, the price hit a level of support yesterday, and I've been mentioning that from the last couple of days. And with that, we have a nice bullish engulfing pattern. Now, I normally like to enter either after a direct hit from the zone, or either if we have a possible double bottom entry condition for a very strong entry. I'm going to give you two conditions here. Then it's totally up to you how you want to take your trades, and everything in this video will be just my opinion. Nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice. So at this point, if you have seen my yesterday's video, you should have these zones ready on your charts, this green zone and this rejection box right here, a little box here in red. So at this point, yes, that is also a valid bullish engulfing pattern and also a valid entry. Now, it will be a weak entry looking at the fact the price did not form this pattern after a direct hit, but using some discretion as price pushed up and stay up for a couple of days, couple of weeks, and then came back to the zone. That is why we can use this zone again for our direct entry. So again, it's going to be weak signal. It can still push up from here massively, or it can still push up, hit your take profit, and then come back in this rejection box and possibly push up, or come back in the lower level and possibly push up. So if you're taking this as an entry, stop loss can be 1 ATR, or you can also put your stop loss below this red box, take profit 1-to-1 initially and take it wherever you want to take it. But initially I will use 1 ATR and manage it, but on the safe side, keep your stop loss below this rejection box and go 1-to-1 initially and then manage it accordingly. So it's totally up to you. Want to take 1 ATR or want to keep it below here and take your trades accordingly. It's totally up to you. Here on Owanda we have a valid condition right here, and I'm now expecting some bounce from here. Now remember, looking at this entry pattern, the bounce will be enough to hit your 1 ATR or 1-to-1 targets, and then it can likely reject and possibly push down to this rejection box and then form a double bottom pattern. Now, one more fact I'm also taken in consideration, which is on a weekly time frame. If you look here, the price already hit a rejection box of a double bottom pattern right here. On weekly time frame, we are getting this pattern. If we have a next candle as a green candle, remember this is a weekly and long term time frame, so it will take whole 1 week to get a green candle. In that case, we have a good signal that price will push up from here. So that is why I'm looking at for some bounce if we have this candle closed as a bullish engulfing pattern, and if you have a push up, cut your profits. If the price come back in this rejection box, in that case I will look for bullish engulfers, green candles, 382 candles to take my next long trade, and I'll keep my stop loss below, take profit 1-to-1 or wherever you want to take it. Right on capital.com, as you can see, we have no signal here, so I'm still going to take my entries, but it is very important to see this candle to be closed as a bullish engulfing pattern. Now, if this candle closes as a very big bullish engulfing candle, in that case, you can also enter in a less aggressive way, which is from the low of this candle, the high of this candle. Once this candle is closed, then you can calculate, and you can also enter at the limit order of this candle to get a better risk to reward ratio. It's totally up to you how you want to enter, either with a pullback or right at the close. At the close, it will be rid. The risk to reward ratio will affect. Here on capital.com, price is pushing up right in. As you can see, the price is pushing up to 50 EMA, and we have no condition yet. We have this bullish engulfing pattern. That is also one of the strategy my students are learning, but that is not something I want to talk here in this video. But looking at ON, I'm still expecting a price to push up. Now, if we are broken above, in that case, we have a change in trend and price will likely push higher. So wait for that. Once the candle is closed, we are good to go long. For now, I'm expecting a price give us a good bounce at least till 50 EMA once we have a condition. Exactly same on EMX right here. 50 EMA is the place from where we can get a possible pullback, and this area will be a possible area for my double bottom trade. So if you are not an aggressive trader, wait for the price to come back in this double bottom area for your possible double bottom trades. Otherwise, look for that. Look for a daily time frame as well. We are also getting a double bottom on daily time frame. If we have a hit of this zone right here, we're going to get a double bottom entry pattern. But for now, I'm expecting a price to push up at least 1 ATR or at least 2 ATR from here. Right here, gold is pushing down as expected. Right here is heading towards 50% retracement. Right here again, for the aggressive traders, that is a limit order, a buy limit order, and a type of entry I use for my aggressive trades. This is my order and I use 1 ATR for my target initially, and then if you want to manage it, 1.618 retracement is the place till where I want to manage my trades, and stop loss will be below if you want to manage till this much high. But for now, 1 ATR will be my initial targets once we have a hit of 50% retracement, or if you're not an aggressive trader, let the price hit 50 EMA, above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing candle. In that case, we will have a valid buy signal and price will likely push up at least 1 ATR for your target. Stop loss can be same amount of take profit. Here on silver, right here we have two zones, one above, one below. A zone below has turned our trend continuation zone bullish, 24.26. That goes to 24.66, from where we can get a possible push up. If the price comes in this zone, forms a bullish engulfing candle. In that case, we have a likely signal the price will push up from here. If the price push up above, or if the price forms the signal above 50 EMA, bullish engulf, I'm still going to take my long trades using 1 ATR from a target. Now the zone above, let's say the price dramatically push up and hit this zone. In that case, I'll start to look for a counter trend trade, which is bearish engulfers or double top entry condition, 382 candles or inverted hammers for my next sell trade. So this is the zone above, which is right here in blue for my counter trend trade. Otherwise, for my trend continuation bullish trade, it is zone to take my next long trade. So keep it higher. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Here on crude oil, I just made a new high right here. So just remove this line, but it is very important that this candle must close as a bullish candle. But for now, looking at the fact price just made a new high, we can now use this zone as our bullish trend continuation zone right here. Just turn the color to green right here. So exactly as silver, if you have a pullback to this zone followed by bullish engulfer, in that case we have a valid buy signal, and I will use 1 ATR for my target. Or if the price forms a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA above this zone, in that case we still have a buy signal. So all I'm looking at buy condition, as we have just made a new high. Now I'm looking at the zone above, which I'm going to mention in my next video. I'm going to redo the zones and give you the accurate zone once I redo the zone over the weekend. So keep looking for that. Only looking for pullback entry bullish or aggressive entry bullish from this zone to take my next long trade. Have these zones on the charts. Once we have a conditions, we are good to go for our trades. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.